You asked, I listed. Here are some more common inspection items I see constantly and what they mean in an inspection. Wood rot. Buyers, it's not the end of the world, but you do need to make sure that you're getting a quote to find out how extensive is the wood rot and how much it would cost to repair it. Sellers, this is deferred maintenance. Suck it up, buttercup. You're gonna have to fix it one way or the other, so get on board. Rodents are animals in the home. Guys, we live in Georgia. We basically live in a forest in Atlanta. You're gonna have wildlife. This is squirrels, it could be mice, it doesn't matter. It happens all the time. Don't be scared. It is considered a health and safety hazard, but it's called a wildlife exclusion. And it's very simple, it's easy to do. It just costs money based on the square footage of your home and how much access point there is. But realistically speaking, it's one of the most simple remediations, but it does have to get done. Venting. This is actually not a crazy one, but it does come up a lot. So think dryer vents, attic vents, even the venting over your stove. Basically, you want to make sure that these are all being properly vented out of the home so you don't end up with trapped gas or fire hazards. It's very simple. Honestly, a handyman can do this a lot of times. You just want to get quotes so you know exactly the number that everyone's talking about so everyone's comfortable with the project. HVAC and furnace age. Now, I'm not talking about repairs needed. What I'm talking about is just the age of the system. Buyers, if you're not buying a brand new house, stop expecting a brand new HVAC and furnace. If it's working and it is functioning, then guess what? It is what it is. You can't ask for an upgrade. Sorry, not sorry. Sellers, if it's an older system, the buyer is going to freak out. I promise it happens all the time. Some easy things you can do for yourself. Go ahead and have it serviced and cleaned prior to listing the home so you can make sure it's in good condition and it's functioning well. The other thing you can do to keep everybody happy, slap on a home warranty. First year of home ownership, the buyer feels a little bit more comfortable knowing that if that HVAC or furnace were to crap out year one, they have a little bit of a buffer. Makes everybody happy and lets everybody move on. Mold. So Aspergillus is the one we most commonly find in Georgia. It's almost in every crawl space in some amount. Now, it's a really easy remediation. It does cost a little bit. So it's something that I tell people, if you have a really high sensitivity or allergies, it's definitely something you should prioritize as a buyer. If you're a seller and there is significant amounts of it, you're going to have to go ahead and deal with it. Either way, get the quotes, get the numbers, and you'll be able to move forward. All of these issues come up constantly. They're very, very easy to deal with. You just need to make sure that you're talking to your realtor to find the best solution for you as the buyer or the seller.